Hello everyone, my name is Prabsimar Kaur and today I am presenting my project on smart cold storage monitoring system. In today's world, cold supply chains play a critical role in ensuring the safety of the perishable products such as food, medical equipments like vaccines and pharmaceuticals. However, current industry practices often rely on manual monitoring or fragmented tracking systems which are prone to human error, delayed responses, and even significant losses occur due to unnoticed temperature fluctuations. So, my project addresses these challenges by designing and implementing an embedded system prototype that integrates low cost sensors, microcontrollers, and cloud platforms to provide real time visibility and intelligent monitoring of storage conditions. By enabling automated alerts, data logging, and user friendly dashboard, this solution not only reduces wastage but also improves transparency, accountability, and sustainability of the supply chain in the embedded system. In this pitch, I'll walk you through the current industry challenges, the technological gaps, and my proposed solution system that leverages IoT, cloud integration. Now, let me discuss the main components and their roles in this embedded system. First one is the Arduino Nano 33 IoT, which is providing the node that is placed in different places and which sends the data of sensor to the Raspberry Pi, which so basically Arduino Nano interfaces with temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and current sensors, that is a compressor and relays for actuators, implements control logic and locally. Then we are using Raspberry Pi 4, which is the central hub. This runs the MQTT broker, time series database like SQL, Node.js backend, and React dashboard. Optional, we may use optional Pi camera for visual monitoring. Then we have communication protocols. Sensor interface is done through the I2C protocol, where one wire is there which reads and writes the data. Then we have node to hub. Communication is done through MQTT over Wi-Fi, and from hub to a user we are using WebSocket, REST API for the dashboard, and HTTP webhooks using IFTTT. For the user interface, a web dashboard for real-time graphs is made. Alerts are sent via IFTTT, and optional mobile view is also given for farmers and shopkeepers. Talking about the information, you can see the block diagram. So the data flows from the Arduino, from the sensors to the Arduino, which is locally controlling and pre-processing the data, and that data is then sent to the Raspberry Pi via MQTT, which is then sent to the dashboard and cloud services. So decisions like compressor on and off are made locally on the Nano, ensuring real-time responsiveness. The Pi aggregates and visualizes data, provides analytics, and push notifications to the user. Talking about the control logic, control is implemented using high stresses algorithm. If the temperature exceeds the upper threshold, the compressor turns on. If the temperature drops below the lower threshold, the compressor turns off. A minimum off time is enforced to prevent compressor short cycling. Also, there is a fault tolerance also built in the system. If the Wi-Fi or the Raspberry Pi goes off, the Arduino's continues autonomous control. Data is buffered locally and synced when the connection restores. Critical failures such as compressor current anomaly or triggers then if there happens a compressor current anomaly, so the trigger alarms is immediately done. Talking about the existing solutions, unlike AI heavy systems with fruit classification, our system is focused on affordability and reliability. Unlike large cold storage Chain monitoring frameworks are works Ours work at the storage unit level, scalable by simply adding nodes. Unlike passive monitoring systems, ours provides closed loop control plus. If I compare my solution to the existing solutions, we are basically not using AI heavy systems with fruit classification. Our system is focused on affordability and reliability. Also, unlike the large scale cold chains monitoring frameworks, ours work at the storage unit level, scalable by simply adding nodes. Our system is modular. One nanonode equals to one storage zone. Multiple nodes can publish to the same hub. This allows scaling from a single shop freezer to a multi-room warehouse. So cloud integrations ensures compliance reporting, and APIs allow future connection to ERP or inventory systems. Thus the solution is not just for farms but also for pharmacies, logistic companies and food retailers. For the end users, the where we provide our dashboard shows real-time storage conditions like temperature and humidity. Graphs provide historical trends for audits, plus AI is developed to which analyze the already stored values and give a future predictions for the fault tolerance. Also, alerts ensure action can be taken before spoilage occurs. In summary, our embedded system prototype delivers a real-time, affordable, and scalable solution of the storage management. It bridges the gap between expensive proprietary systems and unreliable manual methods by combining deterministic local control with cloud-enabled visibility. It ensures food security, energy efficiency, and operational reliability, making it strong, capable, and for the real world development. Thank you.